Okay, so in a previous video, we showed you how to create a purchase order against the budget. In this example, we're going to create a purchase order from an estimate. So here we can see the estimate that was used to create the job. And if we click on the estimate, we can open it and we can see all the individual line items. Now in this example here, we have a concrete scope of work where we want to pick up the materials that we're going to use to self-perform the job. So here we can see concrete rebar, vapor barrier, the plywood for formwork, we got the stakes, we got expansion joint, and so we've selected those items and we click create purchase order. This is going to pre-create a purchase order against the job, and all we have to do is select the vendor. So if we didn't have a vendor, we could click add a vendor. In this case though, we're going to go down here to supplies, and I've got an HD supply here. I'm going to pick the date, make sure my quantities and my prices are correct. This is $31,000. I would select the delivery dates. We're expecting these by the end of the month. We would add any notes, and I click save. And if we go back over to the commitments tab, I now have a pending purchase order for $31,944. From here, I would click preview. I would download this, send it to my vendor to lock in the pricing. Once they sign and accept this, come back and click accept. Now we're ready to start billing against the purchase order, assuming that we've received materials. But what I really want to do first is I want to go over to my budget. And now you can see that we have committed cost, $31,944 committed against the $479,000 budget. Now if you extend this out, you'll see that there's $31,944 against this budget. And that's how you create a purchase order with an estimate in CrewCost. Hope this has been helpful.